$570 in one day. In here, the first year was great, but like for a lot of other videos, the 5th year is great. I would have made $100,000. Oh, I must have clogged it. What's going on, guys? We're back again with another video here. So this video is Will It Flush Fast Food number 2. There's also a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which I'll go over some of that later in the video. But right now, we'll start with number 2, the main reason why you're here. So right here, 52 million views, 949,000 watch hours, 117,000 subscribers gained, and as you can see, $52,125 earned. Absolutely nuts. So if we go here, straight to the revenue, we'll get into this. As you can see, February 7th, 2018, I uploaded the video January 16th, so like a month later. It made $1.27, bumps up $4, $8, back down to $2 like 3 months, 4 months later, $5. And then it starts picking up here, 13, 17, 38, 32. Then there's a day in there, $570 in one day. And then there's another, like a 153, 39, 23. There's another big day in here, $300 day, absolutely insane. As you can see, throughout the rest of the year, still cruising $40 to $100, 189, 200. And then it dips down in 2019, doesn't really do too much, starts picking up again in late 2019. Has a couple more $200 days, just earning so much money. And then as time goes, this slows down, and now today it's making about $1.50 a day, $2 a day, somewhere in there. Passive income on YouTube is wild. It's so wild. It can just keep going and going and going. Sometimes you gotta look at these videos as investments, and like in here, the first year was great, but like for a lot of other videos, the 5th year is great. These videos were made for more like viral views, and they're gonna have shorter lifespans, and they're also gonna earn less money. So with this $52,000 here, the CPM or RPM on this would be about $1. So per 1,000 views, YouTube would be paying me $1. So when you get 52 million views, they would be paying you around $52,000. So if I would have had like 100 million views, I would have made $100,000. And for a lot of my other videos, they were actually getting about 40 to 70 cents RPM. So like on this video, it would have made me like $25,000 instead of $52,000 on average. But because it was a 3-minute and 30-second video, that bumps you up a little bit. And then the longer you make your videos, more likely you're gonna have a higher RPM. And most of my videos on this channel were like 1 to 2 minutes, but this one was 3 minutes and 30 seconds, which gave me that bump up. All right, so we'll jump over here to the views. This pretty much just shows the retention graph to the video. Average view duration, 1 minute and 5 seconds. It's like 28%, 27%, somewhere in there of the whole video, which is not very good. I think it would have got even more views if it was like closer to 50% of retention. So like if it would have made it to like 1:45, I think it could have got way more views. Oh, it says right there, average view percentage, 31%. Oh, I can't read. As you can see, it just drops off slowly. No big deal. I mean, that's how a lot of these videos go. And we'll go up here to reach. So right here is the click-through. When it first started, day 1, 12 to 14%, which is really good. Keeps climbing. I mean, this is why it's getting views. 20% click-through. Like, that means 1 out of 5 people that seen the video clicked on the video. That's wild. And then it dips off here, comes back. Those 2 little bumps there, that's the same time when I was making those high income days. And the click-through falls off and it gets less views, and that's just what happens. Engagement, 105, we already saw this. Let me go back here to the reach. So suggested videos, 86%. That's something to strive for, definitely. Search views, suggested views, browse features, those are all great. Suggested videos is more likely to make your video go viral and get more views. It's not something that you can just like magically do, it kind of just happens. That's a number that you want to see growing and growing. And then search terms, that's 0.5, none of that matters, for this video at least. If you're making different videos, it definitely matters. And then as you can see here, content suggesting this video. So it was actually a lot of my other videos suggesting this video. So people would just watch and it would repeat and repeat and go, go, go. And then we'll go to audience here. So I gained 117,000 subscribers. Some of this stuff is messed up. It was so long ago. Watch time from subscribers. 87%. Basically what that means is 87% of the people that watched this video weren't subscribed to me. And that's what the suggested videos does for you. It gets you out there to more people, more eyes on the videos. And if we go to top geographies, United States, 22%, Brazil, Vietnam, India, Mexico. That's pretty normal for my channel right here. Some other channels might be different, but the 22% from the United States really helped my RPM be higher. If it wasn't from the United States at that 22%, it would be a lot lower. And then we'll go back to revenue here. $52,125 from a 3-minute and 30-second video. Pretty crazy, but also I did upload it in 2018. It's been a little over 5 years now since I've uploaded, so it's pretty good though. All right, let's check out, I'm gonna play this video in a little bit, but first I wanna check out number 1, 3, 4, and 5 and see just some of the things that I had on there. So right here, we have Will It Flush Fast Food. That was the first one. And then there's 3, there's 4, and there's 5. As you can see right here, 2.7 million views. Not as good as number 2, but number 1 probably helped me make number 2 or else I would have never made it. And yeah, right at that time in 2017, doing so well. And then right here, estimated revenue, $1,188. So like I said earlier, this is the RPM on this is way lower. It's about probably 40 cents, somewhere in there, if I'm doing the math right. That's just what the rest of them average. If it was above 3 minutes, it might've gotten a little higher, but I'm not really sure. And then the reach on this, also super good, you know, in the teens, that's what you're shooting for. 51 seconds, not as good as the other one, but also it's a little bit shorter, so it's no big deal. We'll go back out here. So Fast Food 3 actually did pretty well. It's a 2-minute video with 8 million views, and it made $17,000. So right there, it kind of shows that sometimes it's random because the video is less in length than number 1, but it made $2 on average, where my number 2 video made $1 average, and then the number 1 video made about like a 40 cents average per 1,000 views. So this one did really well with $17,000 on 8 million views. It's really good. Dang, I wish the rest of my videos were like this. On Will It Flush Fast Food 2, I would have made $100,000 instead of $52,000 if I would have had the same RPM as this one. Wow, that's really cool. And the reach here, same thing in the teens, doing well, then it drops off, just like the rest of my videos. 51 seconds. So the Fast Food 1 was 51 seconds, and this one was 51 seconds, but it's a shorter video, so this one actually performed way better. 38% viewed, that's really good. All right, so here is Fast Food 4. So many of these. This one only got 50,000 views. So bad. $44 made. That's about, what is that, 80 cents, somewhere in there. Yeah, just not as good. I mean, the thumbnail's not as good if you really look at it. It doesn't look as appealing. It kind of looks interesting, but it's also like, it's not appealing. If you look from the very beginning, 5.4%. I mean, it shows right there. The other ones were all in the teens. And then Fast Food number 5. This one, 85,000, not as good, but it made a little more money. So $101. 30 seconds view duration. That was all right. 6.8 average, not that good. Yeah, the click-through is just not as good, but the thumbnail looks fine. It's just, it was so late in terms of like when I made it that my channel wasn't getting as many views. I mean, it was made in 2020. All those videos that were popping off were between 2018 and 2019. 2017, 2018, 2019 was just huge for my channel. So if we go back to Fast Food here, we're gonna watch this video real quick. So many ads. Let's go. So I got the French fries of McDonald's. Just straight to the toilet. Oh boy. 2 in there. Flushing right away. I also had it sped up. I'm not sure why, but a little flush in reverse action here. Sometimes I would just edit these like so weird. I didn't really care. Just, if I like had the editing skills that I have now, it'd be way different. So this is Burger King, I think. And then this is a different toilet. It's like a super powerful toilet. And I knew it'd take it. It didn't do it. I would wait though until it gets a little like mushy. And see ya. Oh. Good to go. That plumbing is good to go. 10 chicken nuggets back in the original toilet. Dang. I probably only spent like $15 on this whole video, and it made me $52,000. It's wild. So right there, I was getting my thumbnail like when I was holding it. Add a little sound effects in it. Nothing crazy. I usually clean these toilets, so the water wasn't too bad. And that's a simple flush. It's so easy. Here we got Taco Bell. Oh yeah. What is this? Stacker? This is so long ago. I haven't had Taco Bell in so long. Quesadilla. It looks like a floaty in a pool. Oh, I took a bite out of it. I must have been hungry. Oh man. Is it gonna do it? One flush? Will it do it? Yep. All these are pretty simple, as you can see. I guess I am doing Taco Bell again here. I think these are tacos this time. I love my sound effects. They're so bad. Oh, these were the beefy Frito burritos. I used to smash these. Gosh. I don't even know what this... Oh, I must have clogged it. Those beefy... Yeah, it's clogged. Oh, I made it. It's good. The beefy Frito burritos must have clogged it. So I go for another one. No fear, guys. You can't have fear on YouTube. Just keep going. Just kidding. I have so much fear here. I'm like, I can't clog this toilet. Oh, nice. Yeah, that made it so much easier. And that was it. And here's another ad. So comment down below if you have any questions or anything that you're interested in. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.